Hello, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I tried Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash with the Supplies Garage Foamlance. Now I would like to try another shampoo from Meguiar's. This NXT Car Wash. It's very thick. It smells like grape. It has a very great cleaning power and produce a lot of suds during washing. I'm going to try about 1 to 10 dilution ratio, so 600 milliliter of water with 60 milliliter of the car wash, so it's like about 2 ounce. Mix it well, you can stir it and also shake it. First, we will rinse the vehicle using Parker 2.360 with PP 180. We will pick all of those debris first from the vehicle. Now let's spray the foam. Start washing the vehicle from top, middle to bottom. Always clean my wash mitt after each panel and after both sides are quite dirty. It is very nice to use this car wash. It glides very easy. It cleans very well and it smells great. Well, I will continue washing my vehicle and see you on the next video with another Meguiar's car wash. See you!